Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Today's video I'm going to be reviewing the Primark dissolving whitening teeth strips. So yeah, I'm always interested in self-care and beauty regimes and stuff like that. So yeah, I wanted to give these a try because I haven't tried them before. So if this is the type of video you like, don't forget to give me that big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button because it would really help my channel. So obviously I picked these up from Primark. They were literally £4 and you do get 14 strips in there, so you can wear them every day, I guess. But these are like a fresh mint flavour. They are supposed to be dissolving. So yeah, they come in these little packets inside. And we're going to give them a go. Now the only thing you don't get with this, normally you get a little chart to say like the before and after. You don't actually get that, so I'm going to give you a little bit of a before, which we're going to pause and I'll put it side by side when we see the after. So this is my before. They look pretty white already, and I think it's because of this lipstick that I've just had, that I've just put on because I've just been filming another video. Do you think it would be better if I took this off? Because sometimes this can be deceiving. So yeah, I might actually just take the lippy off. Right, so no longer sort of making it look like they're whiter than they are. So sort of depending on the colour of your lipstick can really change the look of your teeth. And I don't want to sort of fake it, if you know what I mean. So these are my befores. I'll pause this afterwards. They look pretty white. To be honest, in reality they're not that white. But yeah, anyway, so we'll go ahead and apply the first strip. I'm just going to have a look how long that you're meant to keep them on for. Oh, well, it just basically says that they dissolve. So I've always used the ones where you sort of take them out after so long. So guys, I think you only get one in the strip. I'm not even sure which way round these are meant to be. I don't know whether it matters. Let's just have a look at the instructions. Maybe I need two for the bottom set as well. So it's going to take up to 15 minutes to dissolve. That's it. So I'm going to open two. Right, so I'm going to put one on the bottom as well. So I'm just going to apply these. Alright, I always like to put them between the gaps. Put that one there. Oh. They are sticky. Bottom. Starting to melt already. Oh. Right, they're literally melting already. They just feel like slime in your mouth. So let's put a timer on. I'll see you all in 15 minutes. Right guys, it's been almost 15 minutes. It's actually all dissolved now anyway. I literally haven't got anything left in my mouth. It kind of just disappears. So I don't need to brush my teeth or anything because there isn't any residue left. It completely melts away. So we're going to do a bit of a comparison. So I'm going to bring up the original footage at the side here and you can have a look if you think they're any whiter. So please leave your comments below on what you think. Do they look any better? I'm not sure. I mean, to be honest, they kind of look white, but I don't know whether that's what I'm seeing in the viewfinder. Yeah, I kind of think they may look a little bit white. I mean, they're certainly worth it for like £4. And at the end of the day, I have only used one strip on the top and one strip on the bottom. I guess if you were to use them every day, you might see sort of more of a result. But definitely worth £4. They weren't the best when they're like dissolving. They were a little bit gross. because they kind of go like slimy and gooey, but really nice to sort of freshen your breath anyway, because they are minty. Yeah, and good like that, but I probably would do it when you're at home. I wouldn't be wearing them out and about or anything like that, not that you would, but yeah, I think they're quite nice actually. I will try them. I will obviously finish the packets and everything. They weren't terrible, and like I say, with sort of like everyday use, if you kind of start using them quite regularly, I think they may sort of start to whiten a little bit more. But yeah, so yeah, that's everything for the video. If you're interested in getting these, you can get them for £4 at Primark, which is an absolute bargain. So that's everything. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that would be brilliant. If you want to subscribe, you can do it in the link below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll leave it on the screen, and I will see you all in the next video.